Hi, my name is Paul Grotas, and I'm an immigration attorney, and I have a law practice located in New York City, and I focus exclusively on immigration law. And today I'm going to talk to you about two very important topics. And the first topic is what documents you should carry with you and what should you have with you if you're worried about getting picked up by immigration. Because I want everyone to be able to sleep easy at night and to feel okay when they're with their family and with their friends. And if you're worried about getting picked up by immigration, you won't be able to sleep easy at night. So when clients ask me what should they carry with them, these are the documents that I tell them. First of all, carry proof of identification. It's very, very important that immigration is able to identify you, and you can tell immigration that this is who I am and prove it. It's very, very important. The second thing that you should carry with you is an attorney's phone number. If you can't afford an attorney, there are plenty of groups in your area that provide free or low-cost legal services, and if you ask me, I can give you a list of those groups and you can meet with them. They're more than willing, and they're able to help you in case you should ever get picked up by immigration, and this way they know if you're there what they should do to start working on your case. The third thing is if you get picked up by immigration, do not have a fake ID on you. It's very, very important because a lot of immigrants, especially in New York, can't get a driver's license, and they need one because there's not sufficient public transportation. If you carry a fake driver's license with you, you could face a criminal charge after you're picked up by immigration, and also it'll make it more difficult for an immigration judge to let you out of jail because the immigration judge may not be able to believe that you are the person who you say you are because you have a fake identity document. Now, the second thing that I want to talk about is what happens if you do in fact get picked up by immigration. The most important job of any attorney is helping you get out of jail. And these are the list of documents which they're going to need when that day does come and this does occur. First and foremost, they're going to need a letter of support. And this letter of support should say, hi, this is my name, and I know this immigrant for a very long period of time, and if they're released, they can live with me at my home. This will show the judge that you're not a flight risk because you have a place to live. Also, you should have a similar letter from your employer or someone who will offer you a job if you are released from jail. The letter should say, hi, this is my name, I am an employer, this is my business, and I will employ this immigrant at this hourly wage if he's released from jail. Now, at my office, I have sample letters which I give to people to make it easy for them to fill out. And I'm sure that the lawyer, if you hire a good one, will have those same sample letters for you. The second thing which the immigration judge is going to want to see in determining whether to set bond or not is proof of payment of taxes. I mean, everyone in that courtroom will have paid taxes before, and they're going to want to see that you've paid taxes as well. They're going to want to see a copy of the tax returns or the transcripts to prove that you paid taxes. Also, you're going to need an identity document, something to prove what your identity is, which you should have had already. The other documents which you'll need are birth certificates for your children, if you have a lease to prove that you can lease an apartment or you own any property. Property ownership is very, very, very important because it shows that you're not a flight risk because you own property and you're much less likely to flee if the judge lets you out of jail. The final thing, and in some cases the most important thing to show to get released from jail, is to show that you're not a danger to the community. And this specifically is very important for anybody who has had an arrest before, because the judge may look into that arrest, they may look into the criminal complaint or the facts and circumstances of that arrest and say as a result that you're a danger to the community and there's no way that she can set a bond. It's very important for an immigration judge to see that you have rehabilitated yourself so that if she releases you, that you won't make any more mistakes in the future. It's very, very important to show rehabilitation. Thank you for watching.